Breaking news. Kansas City is experiencing a significant severe weather event today, Tuesday, June 3, 2025, as multiple rounds of storms move through the area, bringing threats of flash flooding, damaging winds, hail, and potential tornadoes. Flash flood warnings in effect. The National Weather Service has issued flash flood warnings for several counties in the Kansas City metro area, including Platte, Clay, and Jackson counties, effective until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. These warnings are due to thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall with rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour, leading to flash flooding in low-lying areas, creeks, and urban streets. Severe thunderstorm and tornado threats. In addition to flooding, the storm system poses risks of severe thunderstorms with damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour and penny-sized hail. There is also a potential for brief tornadoes, particularly in areas where embedded circulations develop along the storm line. Safety precautions. Residents are advised to stay indoors and avoid travel during severe weather. Monitor local news and weather updates for the latest information. Avoid flooded roads and never attempt to drive through high water. Seek shelter immediately if a tornado warning is issued. Subscribe for more updates.